Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a tire rotation. In March when we went to remote learning, SIU was doing some cool stuff using GoPros and video cameras and so on. One of my old instructors there actually asked me to join one of his classes to see what it was all about and how he was using it. So it starts out with I do my Zoom class through my computer in my office. And then if we're doing hands-on for that day, if they're watching a live demonstration, then I roll my tool cart over here with my camera setup and then the GoPro. But after class is over, then I'm recording more videos. So during my lunch hour, I'm recording videos of different things I covered in class or things I'm gonna cover in the future just so I can get prepared for those. Automotive, it's all hands-on. Now they see me bring all these different cars in. I bring a different car, my personal cars or other teachers' cars in here to work on them for live demonstrations. Getting kids to work in groups and build a portfolio and build more relationships with others has also been very successful. This year actually we're doing a virtual internship opportunity every week. So I'll be traveling to different shops to find out what they need, what they look for in students and so on, just to get those students jobs while they're still in school. Everybody's always trying to find the next and best thing, which is amazing, and everybody's sharing all the wealth. We're also communicating with the local colleges and trying to figure out what is, again, best for kids. We're always striving for the best.